Hey there, beach enthusiasts! It's Erica, your trusty beach explorer, bringing you another thrilling adventure from the sandy shores of paradise. Today, I have something truly special in store for you. As I step onto the powdery sand, I'm immediately greeted by a breathtaking view. The beach stretches out before me, a picture-perfect paradise with crystal-clear waters and pristine white sand. It's a beach lover's dream come true. This beach is like no other. The vibrant turquoise waters invite you for a refreshing swim, while the gentle waves create a soothing soundtrack that instantly transports you to a state of pure relaxation. The sun shines down, casting a warm glow on everything it touches, creating a paradise bathed in golden light. As I walk along the shoreline, I can't help but be captivated by the natural beauty that surrounds me. Towering palm trees sway in the ocean breeze, their leaves creating a mesmerizing dance against the azure sky. It's a scene straight out of a postcard, a true tropical paradise. But what truly makes this beach special is its hidden gems. As I explore further, I discover hidden coves and secret spots tucked away from the main stretch of sand. These secluded areas offer a tranquil escape where you can unwind, read a book, or simply bask in the beauty of your surroundings. The beach is not just about sunbathing and swimming. It offers a playground for adventure enthusiasts as well. From snorkeling among vibrant coral reefs to